Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make a hot tiramisu latte. First, gather all your ingredients, including a fresh shot of espresso, 8 ounces of milk, and 1 tablespoon of tiramisu syrup. Next, we will prepare the espresso and steam the milk to perfection. Finally, we will combine everything and add the finishing touches for a delightful beverage. This guide makes it simple to enjoy a cafe-quality drink at home. To begin, ensure you have 1 shot of freshly brewed espresso, which is approximately 1 ounce. You will also need 8 ounces of your favorite milk, whether it is dairy or a non-dairy alternative. For that signature tiramisu flavor, have 1 tablespoon of tiramisu syrup ready. A small amount of mascarpone cheese and a dash of cocoa powder will complete your ingredient list for this delightful drink. Now, let's get brewing. Prepare 1 fresh, strong shot of espresso, which is about 1 ounce. While your espresso is brewing, gently warm and froth 8 ounces of milk until it reaches a creamy consistency. Once the espresso is ready, pour it into your serving mug. Stir in 1 tablespoon of tiramisu syrup and a small dollop of mascarpone cheese until well combined, creating a rich base. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious tiramisu latte. Slowly pour the steamed milk over the espresso and syrup mixture, allowing it to blend beautifully. For the perfect finish, lightly dust the top with cocoa powder. If you wish, you can also add a ladyfinger biscuit on the side for an authentic touch. Serve your warm, homemade tiramisu latte immediately and enjoy every delightful sip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.